Hello, everyone out there to our weekly Thursday webinar here at HeyGen, and I'm not alone today. So Joy will join me from our customer success team at HeyGen. So yeah, we want to welcome everyone here. So guten Tag, buongiorno, bonjour. To everyone around there because we are globally, Joy, and this every week people are here from everywhere, so we want to know where is actually everyone based. I can already see France, Italy, US for sure. So please provide where you're based right now, and we would love to welcome you here at HeyGen. And I would just give Joy one sentence here to introduce yourself. And where are you based right now?
Oh, thanks, Nick. Thanks for having me. Yeah, I'm Joy. I'm from HeyGen Customer Success Team. I am a Customer Success Manager at HeyGen. Now I'm based in Los Angeles, US.
Yeah, perfect. So everyone knows we are doing this webinars from our headquarter in Los Angeles. So yeah, now I can see here India, Texas, Illinois, USA, and Germany, Denmark. So, even UK, London. So this would be fun for everyone who's joining the first time here. Every Thursday, we will have a webinar. We are talking about different kind of topics. And everyone who are joining us today will get 5 free credits after or at the end of this webinar to get more comfortable with HeyGen technology, to just practice a bit. Is it a good fit for my own business, for my content creation? Just we will provide you with these 5 free credits and you can start right away. The only thing I want to mention already is, please, first create an account at HeyGen and then provide us at the end the email address. We will send you a type form and then we can add the credits to your account. It doesn't work in a different way. So you can't just get 5 free credits and don't have any account at HeyGen. This will not work. I just want to make this sure in first place. And then today's topic is HeyGen 101. So we will give you a briefly overview what HeyGen is offering for everyone. And I would say, Joy, we can start right away. What do you think?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I think
Perfect.
so. Yeah. So maybe I can go ahead and share the slides and we can just give our audience a big picture of what HeyGen is, because I know there is some new audience joining this webinar.
Yeah, please do it. And for everyone out there, really, if you have questions, just ask. I will have a look. Joy will have a look, and we will try to answer the questions you have, so that it will be a bit more proactive here in this way. So just please send us your questions, and I will try to follow all the questions you have. But now, Joy, please start.
Yeah, Nick, can you see my screen now?
Working perfectly, Joy.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, so welcome to our HeyGen 101. So this is like a basic training. We want to provide some product update, some of our just as a basic training to introduce our customer some of our key features. So firstly, we want to introduce you what is HeyGen, because I know some of you are very new to our platform, so welcome to our HeyGen community. So for HeyGen, I think we are trying to build up a generative AI video creation platform to help people to create, localize, and personalize your videos. And for us, our mission is to make virtual storytelling accessible to all. So we have different horizontal use case, like people by using HeyGen to help them to create their business video, personalized videos, and also can using HeyGen as AI to translate their videos into different languages. So I think we will be diving into some product today. So we will be give a live demo later.
Yeah,
So
sure. we have so many products. Joy will now like present some of them, just like a overview, and then we will dive in the live demo in our interface just to let everyone know.
Yeah, sure. So for the next slides, we are trying to mapping some of our key products in these slides. I know some of our customer know HeyGen because of video avatar. Like we help the customer create their own AI digital twin. By using your like talking video, we can create a avatar for you, and each time you can just use text to spoken person feature to create a video in a very fast and easy way. We also have another like core product called video translation. We will be also demo in today's session. So video translation is like you can translate your dubbing your existing video into different like thousands of different languages, and also like we will be have the lip sync and also doing the voice cloning for the video translation is also a very popular product on the platform. And also we have the personalized video. You can send your like personalized video campaigns, and streaming avatar is like much more interactive way you can building your chatbot in your website by using our streaming avatar API. And also for this year, it's very excited is like we have two new product that is URL to ads and also instant highlights to help the videos do some for some video repurposing. So I
Yes.
think we will yeah, so two lots of like product, Nick.
Yeah, I mean, HeyGen itself, we are shipping fast. And like the idea at HeyGen itself is shipping fast the product and then collect the feedback from like our community, from our enterprise clients, but also from our like self-service users. Then we can like really build the product in the best way everyone is looking at. So like I already saw like one question here, like for streaming avatar itself. So yeah, right now it's not really like for live streaming itself. So we will work on this to really have like a live stream avatar as well. But right now it's more about streaming so that you can really just like, yeah, change your like boring text, I would say text bot on your website and just put like your own avatar in place that really like users or like your clients could really interact with this avatar. And in the backend, it works like, yes, with a large language model, you could really fine tune this with your own like knowledge base that the avatars really like answer these questions that you're really looking for. So yeah, but please go ahead, Joy. And I think we could actually dive in the product demo itself in our interface,
Sure.
and maybe I can just start for the avatar part here and you will take over for the video translation part. I think this would be our way to go today. So first, what I really want to show everyone is HeyGen itself is a Gen AI like platform where you can create like for the avatar part new content. The most use case, and prove me wrong here, Joy, or correct me if I'm wrong, is create new content for like use cases like training videos, educational videos. A lot of our clients are using avatar videos for HR, for like sales talkings to reach out to customer, make it more personalized. Do you like have any other use cases you have in mind?
Yeah, I think this kind of B2B business video is like our main use case. We also see some of our creators, they are very creative in their digital twins to create some social media content to build up their personal branding. So I think like both like creator and business is our main use case.
Yes, and like it is really like for providing informational with your avatar, and the biggest thing for sure is multilingual. So you don't have to stick with like English you or like your mother tongue language. You could do it now in over 40 languages and like provide this content to even like a new audience, or if you like a big, I would say, corporate company itself, you can just produce one video in one language and then just translate it to all your employees with different nationality backgrounds, that everyone gets the video very customizable and individual in their own language. And this is like a big use case actually for our clients right now who are using this. And also on the other hand, it's like, hey, we have a new software, it's an update, and then combine this in like multilingual videos. So this is pretty remarkable to see. And if you want to start to create your first avatar actually on HeyGen, you will see every time this kind of interface. So if you join HeyGen, you can go to the video avatar part, and then you could create a new avatar. So the instant avatar and the studio avatar are two different product itself. The instant avatar works really like in a casual way, but even with the highest like quality so far in this industry, that you can just provide like a 2-minute recording of yourself, upload this, and like 5 to 10 minutes later, you can use your own avatar to start to create this kind of content. So it doesn't have to be in a green screening setup or anything. You can really do it casual, like you can see here, my avatars, for example. The Studio Avatar is just available for enterprise clients. So Studio Avatar is a really high professional recording where you have to follow like our guidelines to really get the best of it. And we also provide every time like the best practice in first place, that you don't do just on your own, send us the footage, and then we will say, yeah, but you could improve this or this could be better. So we will provide you with all the information from like the best shooting, setup, script. So, but still for enterprise clients. But you can also start with the instant avatar and you would be like very impressed by the quality so far. So let's just do it a quick demo here for the instant avatar. If you press to the instant avatar,
Hey guys.
like our CEO will welcome you actually and just like explain you kind of like what's going on now in the next like steps here. So this is it's for sure. It's also like an avatar. And then we can press get started. And then as you can see in the instant avatar product, we have two different type of avatars. The first one is the still one everyone knows already. So it's just like I'm sitting, I'm standing, and then you can just like do it in your environment. The motion avatar, and this is like still pretty new, is where you can actually walk. So there's not really like a limitation what you can do actually. You can sit, you can walk, you could, someone should try it. Like I think you could also like drive a car or like bicycle, just take care of the traffic itself. Um, just to let you know. And then you can select, okay, what kind of avatar I'm looking for. And then you can start, for example. So you have the video instructions, you have the text instructions, and then actually you can start to upload your footage or do like for like a first try, just record with a webcam. And like I said, 2-minute recording, like, or with a webcam, 30 seconds recording, and then we will do the rest for you with our AI. So we will put your avatar back in this space, in this video avatar space, and then you can see your avatar and you can start actually to create content now with your avatar. For sure, in different sizes, in different like portrait mode or even like the landscape mode. So it really like completely up to you how you actually want to do this. One new feature I want to announce is that you are able now for sure also to remove the background for the Teams plan, so you don't have to create any other kind of avatar. You can go and remove the avatar background right away, and then you can, for example, go to your assets, to your brand folders, and then you can set up a background on your own. And then it will look like that you are like, you can start to use your own like templates if you want to. Or the other way, you could also, if you go to the AI Studio on the left side, go to templates, you could also build like a template on top of our provided templates. And this is just how it works. So everything will be already prepared for you, and then you can just like change this kind of presentation or template, for example, with your own avatar, and just like to, yeah, give you like a starting ramp to create a showcase for your organization, for a client. So this is actually how it works. You could also all the time change the view. So it doesn't have to be like full body or half body. It could be also a circle view. This is really up to you. So Joy, is there maybe any questions so far specifically for the AI Studio or for the avatar?
Yeah. I think there is a very good question about like
Yeah.
how adding the brand assets, brand logo. But you already mentioned that
Yeah.
is in the asset, right?
Yeah, so you could also do the different way, like prepare everything right away. So if you go to AI Studios and you go to the brand kits itself, you can start to create a new folder, and then you actually like you have the ability to upload your own logos, your own branding colors, like your font if you want to, like the images, the video. So this is completely up to you, and then you can really use everything in our AI Studio.
Yeah. And there is another question I think is very great is they want to know how to have the gestures in the avatar, how to have the realistic natural gestures when you're filming an avatar.
Yeah, that's actually a very good question. And this is the reason why Avatar provide you with more slots for the avatar. So for example, what you have to keep in mind is like you should know exactly what kind of content you will do with this avatar. And in this case, you could do like a different kind of training video. So you could provide a different kind of like input video. So for example, if I have a presentation or I just want to have a very professional, so I will do a very professional avatar. When I want to have a bit more like emotional or like expressive avatar, I'm acting in the input video a bit like more, I would say, theistic. And then you could set up like a second avatar. And then you actually could mix it in the script, like in the AI Studio, and then you can just combine this. Or for different products, you could use different kind of avatars. So this is actually what I want to tell everyone, how to really get the back practice. So just create more avatars or different kind of avatars, and then use it for different type of content at the end. This expressive avatars, yes, for sure, we are working on this. But actually, if you, it really has something to do with input equal output. So we're also working on a preview mode that you can really select like what kind of scene from the input video you want to use for your presentation. But this is a bit later this year coming. But yeah, I could already tell everyone that we are working on this for sure. It's a very, very high requested feature. But one thing I want to make very, very clear, HeyGen is developing products and just align with our motto. So, and our motto is access to everyone. So we don't want to just use any kind of avatars, whatever, and then you can just select by 3 avatars, but you can't create your own. Like HeyGen is really like, hey, create your own avatar and use your own avatar with your own voice, and then create this content. So Joy, any other questions?
Yeah, Nick, I see. Another question is our customers want to see a real demo. If we have them avatar videos, probably maybe we can show Dave's today. He posted a video in his LinkedIn that is using our new avatar engine, right?
Yeah, do you want to share this? And I will just stop sharing right now, and you can take over to show us the video if you want to.
Yeah. I think I can open the video and
Yeah,
show.
sure, why not? I mean, this use case was like, so Dave is using like a studio avatar, and then like the use case is for hiring. That, yeah, we for sure, we as HeyGen, we are growing so fast and we need more support in any kind of department. So yeah, please, maybe you can do like a full mode or anything that we can have a better experience here. Is it possible? If not, you can just like press
Yeah,
it.
I
It's,
think
oh yeah,
so.
it's perfect. Yeah,
Yeah,
let's have a look, Joy.
like
This is my new digital twin. Now I can show up anywhere, like in a trendy workspace, or in monthly business reviews, or in product explainer videos. I can also connect with teammates and audiences in any language like German. Hallo an alle meine Freunde in Deutschland and in Japanese. Liebe no okaksama o wansurinabachikimasen. We just opened dozens of new roles. Come join us on our mission to make visual storytelling accessible to all. This is my new digital twin.
Yeah, so a simple video, but it's just like created in minutes while using your own avatar. So, and you could do it really like in multilingual, like in multi languages. So it's pretty awesome. Like the quality is getting better and better from month to month. So I'm very happy that you just had this idea to share, Joy. That's pretty cool actually. But still, this wasn't Studio Avatar available for enterprise clients, but you will get kind of the same quality for sure with your instant avatar.
yes,
And you can always do some editing, tips and tricks and post production for sure. But you will be amazed by even the instant quality. Like it's just like the leading technology in this industry, and we are very proud of this actually. That we can provide such a unique technology and quality so far. And I mean, we are not here 10 years on the market, but we still have this kind of quality. And we are really looking for to even improve this quality. So this is pretty cool. One thing I just want to show Joy, because I have these questions very often, and I saw it just right now. If you go on the left side to the script itself, like there are two things I want to show you. First is the voice. So we will always clone the voice from your input video. If you, for example, are not really satisfied with the result because like we don't have so many minutes or from your input video, you could also integrate like with 11 Labs. We have a good partnership with 11 Labs. So what you could do actually is you could go to 11 Labs, like really create a longer like input video with your voice, not video, like a recording for your voice, and 11 Labs. You could train and do a lot of adjustments, and then you can use the API key from 11 Labs, actually put it to HeyGen, and then you can use this kind of voice to your avatar to have an even better experience. So this is the first thing, because I saw the question. Second one is like how to translate. Very easy. Here's your script in English. Here's the button, or even like here is a button for translate. So we are working with GPT-4 in the background for the translation. So, and then you can just like put your target language, let's say French here, for example. It will always like instantly translate. You can apply, and then you can select your own voice again, and then we will like listen to this new text in French with my voice. So
bienvenue dans la nouvelle ère de la création vidéo avec HeyGen. Tapez simplement votre script pour commencer.
Yeah, I think you could listen to this. Hopefully it worked. So, and this is how actually to change the language itself. And then like the last thing I just want to share is also the element button. So with this element button, you are able to use some stock footage that we are providing. So background music, also videos, images. So today was the big like fourth launch from SpaceX, for example. So if you want to have any like videos and it's the content about space or whatever, you could always select like this kind of image and then just put it as a background. So this is for sure also working. And this is actually included in our subscription. So yeah, just try it out. We will provide you with 5 free credits at the end of this webinar. And then you could really, get right away into HeyGen and test it. Joy, any other questions for the Avatar or AI Studio?
I think no, we do not have any other questions. We can wait if there is some questions coming. Yeah.
Perfect. The last thing I just want to mention, this is also we are working on something new. It calls like really emotional expressive voices itself, where you can really like select different type of, like, I would say, recordings or emotions from your voice. So you could also test it out, and please like give us feedback if we really should launch this to everyone, that everyone could really have like 5 different types of emotions in their voice to make the content, the videos even more interactive and more interesting it is at all. So just, yeah, please give us feedback. And actually this is the biggest like really help we get from you, is always like provide us with feedback. We really need it to build a better product. And actually you are the users, you are our community, so we want to, like, you have to help us that we can help you actually to have a better like user experience in HeyGen. So all the time, doesn't matter which kind of product or design or whatever, just give us the feedback and then we can improve our product. And I think, Joy, I would like to hand over to you for that you could present our video translation.
Sure. Yeah. Thanks, Nick. I think AI Studio is like our amazing product. We want to build up this kind of platform. People can just using AI to create their like videos in a very fast and easy way. So I will be introduce the second core feature of HeyGen is video translation. So I will be go ahead and share my screen again. Yeah, here we go. So I think the second product we want to introduce today is HeyGen video translation. So as Nick mentioned before, like for you, if you're using Avatar to create a video, you can translate the script and generate the videos in different languages. So for video translation, I think the use case is, for example, you already have an existing video. It doesn't matter if it's an Avatar video or not. Maybe it's just a video recorded by a real human, or it's just is a video like with a voiceover. You can always using HeyGen video translation to translate it into different languages. I think now we are supporting more than 70 plus different languages and 150 plus locales. So each time, if you already have a video, you can just try to using HeyGen video translation to translate it into different languages. And the
Yeah.
use case we see, yeah,
Joy, maybe just 2 things. Maybe you can go to tips, just to give us like a quick overview what kind of languages we are providing. And one thing to the community here right now, I was telling you, if you want to have emotion voices, like even your custom voice, please give us the feedback and then we will put it on our roadmap and give access to everyone for sure. And we will build this product. So it was more a question from me, should we do it for everyone? So please go ahead, Joy.
yeah, that's right. So if you click this tips button, you will be see our like language list we already support. So this is a language we support for the input languages, and also this is a list like we support for the output languages. The workflow for video translation is quite simple. So each time you can just directly upload a video here. Maybe I just demo and try to upload a video here, and you can just click create a new translation. So for our like creator teams plan or free user, you can directly translate the video into different languages. And for our enterprise clients, we have a functions called proofread. So you can always generate the proofread before you translate the final video to improve the accuracy of the video. So if you go into this workflow, generate a proofread, you can see like you can select output languages here. So now we are supporting more than 70 different languages. So for example, if I want to translate it into French, I can just choose it French. And also we have different accent locales here support the translation. So you can select it here. And for the original video, you can choose auto detect and number of speakers, because this video is only have one speakers, but we also support multiple speakers. So we support up to 10 speakers in one video. So if your video is interview or some webinars, some panel speech, you can also using HeyGen to translate it. And after that, you can just confirm the submission. So usually, like the proofread won't consume the credits. The credits it will only when you like submit and translate the video, it will be consume the credits. So you can submit and generate the proofread.
Yes.
There is an error message today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
why not? Like it's live, so and it's good to know that we also facing sometimes bugs. Completely normal. Okay, so like what is so you already explained like okay, so for self-service plans we have just the translation itself. For the enterprise customer, we have this proofreading option. One thing I want to mention before you go like deep dive in the proofread is like our AI right now is really trained on like educational videos, training videos, front facing person. But yes, we have so many great clients we can work with. Where also like Joy is speaking every day with them, that we are able to also not very soon, but later this year also do like an update on this, that you could even upload different kind of videos with even wider angle of the face itself, that this will also work. For everyone, just a back practice tip for the animation itself. When you create a TikTok video, when you create a YouTube video, whatever, like the idea right now and the workflow should be a different one, because normally what you have as an editor or anything, you should have like a raw material video. So I would always go on the first baseline. So just translate in first place the raw material video, put this to HeyGen, take care of the proofreading, and then go back to your editing tool and then do the post production with all the effects and like the transitions, that you like, because it's very hard for our AI right now to just take like a final product video and just upload this if you already have all the effects and like transitions and fast moving cuts in this video. It will be very hard for our AI. So please do it in a different way and go back to the like first place, put the raw material in place, and then do like all edit, like add all the B rolls itself. So Joy, please give us an overview about the proofread.
Yeah. Yeah. I think for the proofread, when we generate the proofread, now I'm open a proofread project, so you can see the user interface is like everything here is can be editable. So the basic idea from proofread, I think, is we want to make sure like you have the best result of video translation. So people like if you have the real human translators or proofreaders, you can let them join a HeyGen team space and open the proofread project and doing some like editing or comments or just like manually review the content here. So that is like a quality control workflow. So if you see, this is our current user interface. And the amazing news is today we will be we just launching our new proofread studio. So because I have an internal account, so you can see this is our like beta testing proofread studio. But I think we will be launching it just within this week. So it's amazing news. I think if you see the design and the workflow will be much more flexible, so you can preview your videos. You can also see the people face track, the script track, and also the voice track, and in the left hand side you will be seeing this transcript. So in the left is like the original English script, and in the right hand side that is the translation version. So you can also see like you can choose the face, because we will be auto detect how many faces are there in the video and detect how many voices are there in the video. So you can just manually change it and match it into your original video. And also like you can editing the time code here. And I think one feedback we get from our customer is they want to add different, for example, they want add a separate script box here. So now we also can do that. But for example, I can change this time code a little bit, and I think now I can just add a new script box. So we want to make this kind of proofread experience much more flexible. So hopefully this new like proofread studio will be much work for our audience, and we are also looking forward to your feedback. As Nick mentioned, like we are very open to the feedback. So if you test it and find somewhere it's not work, please just let us know. We are willing to hear about your feedback. Yeah, Nick, do you have some
Perfect.
point want to add?
I still have like a lot of questions for the avatar itself. Just like let me just answer some of them. Like yes, PDFs, PowerPoint presentation. Yes, you could for sure upload at HeyGen and then put your avatar on top. No worries, this will work. For the proofreading, there is oh yeah, you
Yeah,
can
I just
yeah.
want to show like you can like in the AI Studio there is a with AI Studio that is import PPT or PDF. So you can just import your slides here and adding the avatar on top of the slides.
Okay, so the other questions is more like, what is the quality I'm getting back for the video translation? So is it, maybe you can tell us a bit more about like the quality itself. Will it be the same? Is it difference? Is there any like change? And the preview mode, someone is recognized, there is no lip synchronization. What can you tell us about this?
Yeah, sure. I think for the lip sync part, like for both avatar video and video translation, we only can see the lip sync when you submit and rendering the final video, because that part is the most takes the most computing power. So you cannot see the lip sync, but you can always preview the sound. So you can generate the voice first to check, double check, and after you submit the video it takes some time to rendering the final video, and then you can see the lip sync. And also I think for the proofread of the quality part, we gather the feedback from our customers for the AI automatic translation is usually can be have like around 85 or 90% accuracy. So we sometimes for the business video, or if your video have some specific terminologies, we recommend you have a process to doing a proofread to double
Yes.
check everything is good. And also we have two features you can improve your translation quality is knowledge base and brand vocabulary. So Nick, do you want to present some ideas about knowledge base?
Yeah, I think the idea from knowledge base is, so after we launched like the video translation, the issue was always that like yeah, it's cool, hey Jen, but like I have to spend so many like minutes or hours now for the proofreading because it's not really like how I want to.
Right.
But with this knowledge base, you could really provide the AI more context. So this means you could really blacklist, whitelist. You could also like set the tone itself, how you really want to like yeah talk in the new language. You could also put like an URL link into like the knowledge base, and the AI, before it will do the proofreading or the translation itself, will have a look to the knowledge base. And it's actually the same for the brand library itself. So if you use this in first place, you will get a better result and you have less time you have to spend for the proofreading. Joy, I have one of the biggest questions here, and I think this is a perfect question for you because you are working with our enterprise clients, and there is always the questions, hey, this is my branding company name, but it's not really like pronounced in a correct way. How could I do it manually in the proofreading? Could you please show us this?
Yeah, Nick. I think this is a common question we're facing every day, especially we work with very big logo, big brand. So sometimes the video translation for the brand name is a little bit tricky. So I think our team is actively working on this issue. So firstly, I think if you don't want like HeyGen translate your brand name, you can just tap your brand name in brand vocabulary, and each time it will be just a skip your brand name. Keep your brand name as HeyGen to translate it. And we have another feature I think will be helpful is maybe I just go to one of the proofread project. We have another feature like called pronunciation. So you can also just click this brand name and spelling it in what it will be pronounced here, and always preview the sound to make sure that is pronounced as you expect, and to translate the video. Nick, do you have any other tips like other than this two-way?
I think it's a bit of right now. It's a bit more of try and error so far, but we are also working on a new update that this really like be more helpful and easier to use in first place. So we will connect this with the brand library, and then we will just put it down, and then you don't have to do it each time on your own, because right now it will really be like from script to script. You have to do it like all the time on your own. So we will also working on this, but like everything is always like, hey, give us the feedback, and then we will take care of this. So this is why I'm saying like it's a community work at the end, and if you provide us a better feedback, a better like an idea, a feature request, we can build our product in the best way that it's really like for everyone, and everyone in any kind of use case or industry can use this tool to have a better experience for translation and communication.
Right. Great. So any other questions?
Yeah, so the biggest question is, but it's also something we are working on, is really like the like the text in the backend, like, so if I'm providing like a PowerPoint presentation and the input text is in English because I already like created the video. So we will like HeyGen right now will just like change the voice and the like the translation itself, but right now we will not like take care about the text in the back end. And like we could also say that we are it's a like a common request actually, so we are also working on this, that you could even have the background text from your PowerPoint presentation, from your video you are providing, and we will take care about this as well. I mean, everyone knows this. If you're using like Google and then you have this like kind of camera, it will be instantly translate the text if it's in a different language. So we are trying the same. The issue is right now, or like the challenge is that HeyGen is always take care about the quality, that you can use it on a business level. And right now we are not really happy with the results because it doesn't look really high professional. It's more for like fun and everyone understand what we are doing, but we want to do it in a higher level standard. So we will launch this when we're really satisfied.
Yeah, for sure. I think so. Yeah, I think now like AI translation is not 100% perfect, but we really want to push the boundary to like make AI getting better and better. So
Yes.
we're actively working on it. Yeah.
So two questions, Joy. First, can we see one of your videos where you speak like a different language? And before you go back, like what happens if you go to translate the video? Because one question is here, can I add my new subtitles from the target language? How can I do this?
Yeah, this is a good question. So if I click translate this video, you see like it will be let you know how many credits it will be consumed to translate this video. So because that is within 30 seconds, so that is 0.5 credits. And you can keep the proofread after submit, include the captions. So now the captions will be like the same language as you translate. For example, I using an English video translated into French, so the subtitle, the captions will be in French. And also we support translate the audio only, without lip sync, but I want to have the lip sync, so I just submit and translate this video.
Perfect. And then, yeah, the last question would be, could we have one video of yourself where you're speaking a different language? Do you have anything prepared maybe for us?
Yeah, let me see if this is some good examples, I think.
This is,
Yeah,
yeah, or even a different video.
I think, yeah. Maybe we can show this one. This one is also like our webinar clips.
هايجن ينفجر في كل مكان، وهو أمر مثير لنا كفريق مشاهدة هذا الأمر الذي يحدث. لكن هذا بدأ معك وجوش. هل يمكنك مشاركة قليلا من المعلومات حول كيف تعرفتما ومن أين جاءت كل الأفكار المذهلة؟
شكرا على السؤال الرائع كينت. العملاء القدامى الذين كانوا على اتصال معنا لبضعة أشهر يطلبون ويشعرون بالفضول حول قصة بيجينغ أيضا.
Yeah, I think the most important thing here is, like, normally for sure it's in English. So, and now it looks like, yeah, both of them are not speaking anymore like English. It's what kind of language was it? Like, anyone has an idea? Do you have an idea?
Arabic. Yeah.
Arabic. Cool. Yeah. Look, this is how it works. Just to give you everyone a better understanding how to use this video translation. I think one of the most requested, like, features here at HeyGen. There's one question, Joy. Maybe you can do this as well. If you go back and share your screen, is like, what is actually labs? What can we find in labs?
Oh, right. I think labs is also we need to mention it. So HeyGen Labs is in the like left bottom corner is our lab page. Yeah.
Okay, so, and what does it mean, labs? What's the difference between our, like, products and labs?
Yeah, I think labs is much more like our MVP product. Like we want to like have some new product is like our explorations, and also we have some integrations in the labs. For example, Canva, Adobe, and also like ChatGPT plugin. But I think maybe we can introduce more about streaming avatar and personalized video, because that is also like our core product nowadays.
Yeah, 100%. But for everyone who are interested, yes, you could also, like, use your Canva and your Canva workflow. You could download, like, the HeyGen app in Canva because it's an iframe integration, and then you can just log in to your HeyGen account and could use your avatars within Canva. So you could also, like, create all the templates in Canva and just put HeyGen on top, or in, like, yeah, do the integration. So this will work as well. Yes. Yeah, okay, so maybe you can give us a quick overview about streaming avatar, because we are running already like 50 minutes here. So,
Right.
but I can tell everyone, in 2 weeks we have a business 101 for enterprise clients. So, and then we will discuss more about also streaming avatar, personal videos, because it's a huge use case for all companies around there. But maybe you can just give us a quick overview here. What is streaming avatar?
Yes, so for HeyGen, if you click streaming avatar, this is we build up a demo here, try to like present what is a streaming avatar. So for streaming avatar, we are provide the API access for our clients, so you can using HeyGen's customizable avatar to create your own streaming avatar in your product site or your like website. So this is our co-founder and CEO Josh avatar. So maybe we can have a live chat to know how it will work.
Yeah, Joy, I have one question before. I think you can announce this as well, because how does it work previously? If someone wants to use streaming avatar API, what they had to do in the past, they always have to go to enterprise. But what is the update here?
Yeah, this is a good point. So we update the workflow, so you can always create the streaming avatar in a self-serve way. So if you click this button, create a streaming avatar, it will have the paywall here, so you can upgrade your existing studio avatar or fine-tune avatar to a streaming version avatar. And also you can buy the streaming avatar credits, and then we will increase the concurrency sessions for your API access. Then you can build up your own digital like streaming avatar.
Yeah, exactly. Because I think it's a big thing, because like normally it was an enterprise product in first place. Now we give access to everyone. So if you really want to try this out and embed to your web page, or even like use the full API with an SDK, then just like you could do it now right away. Just do it in a self-service plan. And also here, give us feedback if you're facing any challenges here, because it's pretty new. We just launched it this week. But maybe you can just give us 1 more minute here, just a quick demo, and just maybe you can just speak to Joshua, to our CEO.
Right. Yeah, we can try this that lab demo. I think it's very interesting. Yeah. Usually you like everyone can try this demo, can talk with Josh. Like, hi Josh, how are you?
Hello, I'm not Josh. I'm the HeyGen Sales Assist agent. How can I help you today?
It's interesting we build up this sales assistant for us to like selling and introduce streaming avatar. What is HeyGen streaming avatar?
The HeyGen Streaming Avatar API allows customers to provide a real-time interactive experience with an LLM. The key points about the HeyGen Streaming Avatar are: it is an NPM package that can be added to an existing website to enable the streaming avatar functionality. The package is written in TypeScript. There are 2 usage modes. 1. Trial usage. Any HeyGen customer, including free accounts, can try the streaming avatar API by implementing the SDK and using a trial token.
Yeah, I think this is we just want to present this kind of ideas.
Yeah, I mean, like the use case right now is really like in first place, you have like I would say first level support avatar on your web page. The second, or even like a sales assistant for your like company. The next one would be also a lot of companies around there. They are building like I would say an educational employee avatar that everyone around the world, and doesn't matter what kind of language, could ask questions. Yes, like because I saw this question as well. Yes, we are for sure working with OpenAI in this 4.0 version, that we could also implement more like images or any like interactions in the background. So for sure, we are experimental with this as well. If you really need like support, you could always like reach out to us and get more like individual support from our end. Not a problem at all. Joy, I think it is enough for today. I mean, we could talk for 2 more hours about HeyGen and like put all the use cases in place. But I think for right now should be okay. So maybe we could share the 5 free credits actually to everyone.
Right.
Again, please create in first place in like an account at HeyGen, and then like fill out the Typeform link, and we will provide you with 5 free credits within 24 hours. Some people are texting us 5 minutes after the webinar and say like, where are my credits? Yes, just 24 hours. Give us a bit time, and then we will provide you this into your account, and you can start your journey at HeyGen. And you could always share the videos with us, tag us on social media. Doesn't matter if it's LinkedIn, X, in our Discord channel, on Instagram. We will have a look, and yeah, we just want to love to see your videos you are creating. I saw like one more question. I'm missing this, Joy. I will have a look. Do you want to tell anything else for today?
Yeah, I think thanks, Nick. Yeah, thanks for inviting me. Yeah, I think, and also I appreciate our customer always join our webinar, give us this kind of instant feedback. I think we are trying to build up a much better like platform that we need like the customers contribute and give us the feedback. So every week, like we just get this feedback to our AI research team and product team to build up a better product. And also, I see lots of interest for streaming avatar. This is a very cool product. So
yeah, maybe we should do and I should do it like a deep dive in streaming avatar, and also like how to customize this with the SDK, or even like with the embed function itself. Maybe I should do this as well. But it would be very nerdy, very technical. So we still have to take care that everyone is joining us here, like from the beginning, or even people who are more advanced with HeyGen already. It was not really a question, actually. It was more like, what about like animals on HeyGen? Yes. Joy, like it's really like every week this kind of question. Yeah, HeyGen right now is really focusing on the real like existing avatars itself, or like realistic as possible right now with the technology. Yes, meta humans could also work, but this is more about like an enterprise feature here right now. We are not supporting right now animals or cartoons or any like animes. But yes, I mean, the requests are getting, yeah, much more, I have to say. So maybe
yeah,
we can talk to Wayne, our CPO, and also Joshua, that the community wants this. So yeah, let's try it out. So yeah, so from my end, I would love to see you next weekend. Next weekend we will have a customer with us to like provide a customer story here. So the same time next Thursday we will meet here. You can still like do some practice on HeyGen, come back next week and ask your questions. We will be here. I will answer all of your questions. And I would love to give the last words for today to you, Joy.
yeah, the last word. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone joining us. Yeah, I think for webinar, like Nick lead this project is really like our commitment to our community. So we just want to keep continuous doing that, keep this kind of window we can try to communicate with our like customer and community. Yeah, very enjoying this experience. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, I just love it to be like very close to the community, because I can't have like, or we as HeyGen can't have like all the best ideas on our own. There are so many like talented, creative people who like always providing us with feedback, and we say, yeah, why we don't think about this? Yeah, this is such a good feature request. Or like even for bugs, when we have this, I think it's for every company the same. It's not like constantly running 100% every day, but we are pretty like proud of our constantly like experience on at HeyGen. So yeah, this is why I love it. So I really love to have you today here in our webinar, Joy. Thank you so much. And then I would say a big like goodbye to everyone. And yeah, we will see us in the next Thursday webinar.
Yeah.
Bye.